咱的前总统蔡英文，伊伫咧英国访问的行程，有登去伊的母校，也就是伦敦政治经济学院。来接待的是伫要上任的法律学院院长。这个开场，伊就介绍蔡英文是因博士的毕业生，嘛直接背回有关改造学历的质疑。这一届蔡英文登去母校演讲，是引起真大的关注。学校伫安全考虑各方面嘛特别谨慎。
好，蔡英文今天开心的回母校，但是校方把它定为私人行程，媒体没有被邀请。
蔡英文登来母校发表演说，引起各界真大注意。校方这平常展现真小心的态度，拿以安全的考虑为理由，拒绝媒体采访。活动也以无公布姓名 VIP 形式邀请听众参加。校方这样小心的安排，外界推测甲校内上大的国际学生族群，超过2000名的中国籍留学生有关系。现场更加是看到考级人数的监视。不过这样小心，尽量卖明显的安排，也是无法度做动亲像，敢若伫咧面试上款的台湾侨民。
他超棒的，他超棒的，谢谢小英，谢谢局长就好，手上相机要小心。
蔡英文伫校任法学院长莫瑞介绍的，以国际名人校友名义，担心国际特殊的台湾的经济韧性。
Of course, you may have your own view as to the style and the way the current president of the United States conduct the sort of tariff negotiation. And it is a very different type of negotiation that we are all familiar with, especially the way we practice negotiation in the last few decades. So the world are trying to get used to this, but I think this is only the beginning of a more comprehensive set of the global negotiation on trade.
对各国大陆投资半导体自主化大集电到美国市场，引发对台湾整体优势流失的疑虑。蔡英文是表达审慎乐观的态度。
Am I worried? Oh, I'm not supposed to tell you. But what I can say is that we can still manage it because Taiwan is still the most efficient place in the world to produce high-end chips. We still have time. But the thing is that at the end of the day, we have to share with our friends, our allies, for our common security.
在国际贸易甲安全特殊无稳的经济之下，蔡英文搁再向国际社会展现台湾的自信甲韧性。伊强调，面对邻国威胁，台湾毋是对危险无感觉，而是具备有够韧性，找出甲风险共处的方式。记者综合报道。